How to create a profile on Threads, an app by Instagram. Threads is the new app built by the Instagram team for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. This video will explain how to create your profile using your Instagram account. The first step is to download the Threads app. If you have an iPhone, download the Threads app from the App Store. If you have an Android, download the app from the Google Play Store. Threads initially launched in 100 countries, including the United States and the United Kingdom. The app isn't available in the European Union because Meta Platforms is awaiting regulatory clarification from the European Commission due to concerns and uncertainties regarding the service's data collection policies. The next step is to import your Instagram profile to Threads. To do so, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your Instagram account with the account you want to import to Threads. Once the Threads app is installed, tap the Threads icon to open it. On the Threads app, you should see the account you're currently signed into on the Instagram app. Next, tap the Login with Instagram option at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the Import from Instagram button to import your name, bio, and link from Instagram to Threads, and then tap the Next button. The next step is to set your Threads profile to public or private. A thread is something you post that will appear on your profile and in your feed. It can include short pieces of text, images, videos, or any combination of text and media. Who can see your thread depends on your profile's privacy setting. After you set your profile to private or public, tap the Next button. Select who you want to follow by clicking the Follow All button, or click the Follow button next to a profile to follow it. Profiles you follow and profiles following you on Threads won't affect who you're following or your followers on Instagram. Finally, on the next screen, tap the Join Threads button. Threads isn't currently available to everyone, and lawyers representing Twitter want to keep it that way. Threads is powered by Instagram. Information from Threads and Instagram is used to personalize advertisements and other experiences across both apps. The Fediverse is a new type of social media network that allows people to follow and interact with each other on different platforms, like Mastodon. Each server on the Fediverse operates on its own, but can talk to other servers on the Fediverse that run on the same protocol. Future versions of Threads will work on the Fediverse